The Honorable Alice Wahome, member 96 of Roresho, is the Cabinet Secretary for Lands, Housing, Urban Development, and Public Works. Pigieni makofi. CS Rebecca Meano, in charge of investment, trade and industry, is a member of this cathedral. Pigieni makofi. The Cabinet Secretary for Water and Sanitation, Zakaria Njeru. He is in Nakuru East Presbytery in Nakuru. Pigieni makofi. The PS for the State Department of Irrigation, Bwana Kemodo, is a member of Butero Church in Gong. Pigieni makofi. The PS for the State Department for Roads, Engineer Mbugwa, na wapale Mogoga Parish, na anajua kuiba sana. The Deputy Governor of Nairobi. Mnamjua Mpigieni makofi. The Deputy Speaker of the Senate, the Honorable Kathuri Murungi. His late father was a parish minister. Yeah. Hata kama mlitukataza kuongea kwa mazishi ya baba yake, tulilia sana. He is our very strong member and his father was a parish minister. Pigieni makofi. Immense North Presbytery. And pia ni mtu ya hapa Karen. You know the leader of the majority in the National Assembly, ni mtu ya Musagetau, the Kabura District, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wa, member number 39. Huyu Mama Jane Kagiri is a women rep for Laikipia. She's a member of our church in Nanyuki. Jane Kagiri, mpigieni makofi. The Honorable Jane Kihara, the strong lady, iron lady of Naivasha. Pia mwanachama wetu wa Pcea. Na pia wa Nairobi West pahali inahubiriwa na Kikuyu. The Honorable Kanini Kega, aka James Mathenge now. Tulibadilisha yeye jina after uchaguzi. Sasa you are Evergreen Church. Pigieni makofi. The Honorable Irene Joki, the Member of Parliament for Bahati, is our member. Phyllis Mudhoni Memorial Church. Pigieni makofi.
You forgot to say I'm the one who prayed.
Yeah, she's the one who had the opening prayer during our service with the moderator. The Honorable Benjamin Gadiro, aka Bejadong, is a Member of Parliament for Embakasi Central, na pia ni mwanachama wetu. Who needs no introduction, you can see the dress. He's a strong member of the PCMF, the Member of Parliament for Ruto constituency. Engineer John Kirago is the Member of Parliament for Rimuru constituency and our member for Joshua Matejwa Church in Limuru. Uyu Honorable Rahab Mukami is a women member, the county member of Parliament for Nyeri and a member of Udhaya Presbytery. Asante sana. Uyu Engineer Wahome wa Matinga is the senator of Nyeri County and a member of Gaine Parish. Gaine Parish. Pigieni makofi. This tall man here is also PCA. Hata si tuko na watu warefu. The Honorable Duncan Madenge is a member of Parliament for Nyeri Town constituency. And he comes from Ihororo Parish. Huyu anaitwa the Honorable Wandeto is the Member of Parliament for Tetu constituency. And he is an elder in the Pcea church. This young little girl, musimuone tu mfupi namna hiyo, ni mkali pale bunge. She's the Honorable Jerry Minor. She is a women representative for Kirinyaga County and a member of Kiberegwe Parish. The Honorable John Kagushia is our member of parliament from Ukraine. Come from which parish? Tabaya Parish. Pigeni makofi. Na amesema amekuja na reverend wake. Na anatafuta membership number. Wewe utapitia vestre hiyo, hapana maneno ya hapa. The Honorable Onesimus Ngogoyo is a member of parliament for Kajiado North, pahali kulikuwa kwa Saitoti. Na ni member wa which parish? Elmatasia Parish. Asante sana. Architect Kiaraho is the honorable member of parliament for Olkalau. And our member for what parish? Ni wa kanisa hii hapa. Yeah. And his wife is an elder of this church. The Honorable Mark Mwenje is MP for Embakasi West and a member of Umoja Pcea Church. Rais ametuangalia vizuri. Are we represented or we are not? Tuko kwa serikali, hatuko kwa serikali. Yeah? And of course, you know I'm the deputy president. See, this is a good picture. It's a good picture, and we had a very good discussion with our moderator. And all of us agreed we submit to his authority and that of our parish ministers. And whatever you want us to do, we shall do. Wacha kwa niaba hao viongozi, they want to sing one song, but the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wa can speak on their behalf very briefly, and then one song from this team. Kimani Ichung'wa.
Thank you, Your Excellency the President, our Deputy President, the Moderator of the 24th General Assembly, our past moderators, all commissioners, good morning. Mine, Your Excellency, is just to take this opportunity on behalf of all these members of both the legislature and the executive to say congratulations to the Moderator of the 24th General Assembly. And as the Deputy President has said, we had a very fruitful engagement with the Moderator, the Secretary General, and the Deputy Secretary General last week in the service that we had. And we all committed that we shall work together, those of us who serve in government and those of you in the church, in the symbiotic relationship between the state and the church. Your Excellency, the President, as you've heard from the Moderator, he was prepared to take you on the issue of fake fertilizer, or what has been billed as those who are selling fake fertilizer. And in that engagement, we did agree with the church that even as we have a symbiotic relationship between the church and the state, that the church will continue to be the conscience of our society, and when need be, the church will speak out on behalf of the people in positively criticizing government when need be. And as the Moderator said this morning, where we do well, they will not whisper, as he asked us to whisper to the church when they do well. They will also speak out and say where government is doing well. And for us, in government and those serving in the public arena, we shall always support the church in all your endeavors through development. And Your Excellency, we appreciated the support that you have given to the Pcea church, right from the issue of Milele in Mombasa and the apartments in Bamburi, the land here in Westlands, and our premier university institution in Kikuyu, and the enormous development activities that you have engaged in throughout your term, not just as president, but also when you are deputy president. And we reminded them, Your Excellency, that you always told us that the number of times that you have patronized the Pcea churches across the country you are now an honorary member of the Pcea Church. Your Excellency, in conclusion, because you said you have no number, I want to invite you, Your Excellency, and I know the moderator of this church, St. Andrew's Pcea, may want to invite you because of the proximity to State House. But I want to invite you, Your Excellency, to another smaller congregation near State House, Pcea Kilaleshwa, that is came out of this church, Pcea St. Andrew's. Because this one, as you can see, Your Excellency, they have done well in building it. But Kilaleshwa Pcea, they're in the course of building that church, Your Excellency. And I want to invite you to join the congregation of Pcea Kilaleshwa, and you will be given a number there. And I'm sure the parish minister is here. And you will now fully be a member of our church. And we recognize your support for our church, and we thank you. With those many remarks, asanteni, and may God bless you as we begin the 24th General Assembly. Thank you.
Our choir master, P.S. Roots. Join Pcea. The Honorable Shinali, the Member of Parliament for Ikolomani, Pigeni Makofi. And the Honorable Aseka, the Member of Parliament for Quisero, Pigeni Makofi. I've also seen the former Member of Parliament for Odaya, Mheshimiwa Mere Wambui. Your Excellency, let me, on behalf of our church, thank you most sincerely for creating time to come for this very important event in the Pcea calendar, the General Assembly and the inauguration of the moderator. Your Excellency, when the church leadership sent me to you, And I came and communicated the request from the church leadership. Without hesitation, you directed that the matter be put in your diary, and you said you will be here and you will keep time, and for sure you are here at 10 a.m. Na inaonekana umeelewa sisi ni watu ya mtaratara. Sababu hiyo kuweka masaa ni mambo muhimu sana katika kanisa hili. Your Excellency, let me also in a very special way thank you for the enormous contribution that you have made in your leadership to this church.